Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 27th, and today we are going to be kind of closing off this section of surface area and volume of prisms, pyramids, cones, and cylinders. So today you are going to be taking a quiz over those four figures. The quiz is a Google form, and I know not a lot of us like that. It's just the best way for me to assess you all rather than doing a review book. Um, and if you have like an idea for an alternative, I am open ears because I want to make sure that this is the best practice for you. Okay? So your quiz today is going to be a Google form. It's posted to Google Classroom. Let me pull that up so I can give you some tips. All right, first off, I have the formulas plugged in there for you. So they're already there, ready to go. Okay? For every single picture I include in there, you are going to find the surface area and the volume. So I have each problem broken off into different sections, and there's one question where it says, hey, what's the surface area of this figure? Hey, and then another question that says, hey, what's the surface area of, or I'm sorry, what's the volume of this figure? So make sure when you're finding those quantities that you're plugging it into the right question. Also, with any Google form quiz, I go back and regrade them every single time due to input error, because for me to accept all your answers, I would have to spend 10 years adding every single type of answer to the Google form, and it's just easier for me to go back and regrade them. So do not fret when you get it back and it's a 0 out of 40. I mean, maybe you might not have done well, but most likely that's not the case. All right. What else? If you want, you can use your cheat sheet. I'm fine with that. I can't control you in that testing environment, so hey, live your best dream. If your answer is a whole number, leave it as a whole number. If your answer comes out as a decimal, round to the hundredths place. For your units, the way I set up the answer key to write those units, I just, like for example, I typed in meter squared, so I typed in an M, no space 2. Okay, don't worry about any of those itty bitty details. I go back and regrade it. So if you type it a different way and it counts it wrong, you're gonna get your points. So do not fret. What else? The quiz is 40 points. Formulas are in there for you. And I think that's about it. Oh, all the answers are decimal points. So I'm not asking you to plug in pi if you have pi. Okay, so just simplify it down to a decimal point. I think that's about it. If you have any questions while you're taking this, please email me. Happy Monday, all right? See you guys.